Good morning, everyone. We are doing a early morning shave. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going America. You know, we got some red, white, and blue, and just so you know, this is going to be like my first impression of Holy Call 1776 tallow. I've never used this brand before. I know everybody's going, ah! I haven't. I decided to get this one because it's a wicked sweet label, man. Wicked sweet. Doesn't look like a bald eagle. Looks more like a golden eagle, but still super sweet. It's a very cologne-y scent. I enjoy it. And it's also, in my opinion, it's a much softer croap than you're probably used to getting. At least this one feels that way. And we've got the matching splash. So that's awesome. And we're going to use the Yaqi double open comb. What blades do I have in here? Bruce Lee Cloud Blades. Whoa! Yeah. Anyways, so guys, we're gonna wet the face. Ah, yeah. There we go. So, I was watching Johan from his video he uploaded Sunday, shortly after the Lathering blade live head shave I did. I tried to upload it on YouTube, but yes, CDB. YouTube shut it down. So that didn't happen. Went ahead and lathered it up in the bowl using my Paladin 2019 Halloween edition. It's got like a little tree and a dancing skeleton and bats and stuff like that. So it's really cool. We're gonna paint it on. Actually, let's just start doing some scrubbing. Scrub-a-dub-dub. So this lather, glad I was doing it off camera. And yeah, you can see, guys, I did nick myself up with that wick a little bit. It's okay. It is okay. But I drowned this at first. So there was still soap, I know, in a section on the bottom of the bowl. So I just tried to incorporate and get all that soap out. We're going back to the goatee, guys. That is the goal. And we're gonna leave it like that. So I was watching Johan. He's got his Van Dyke going on. I planned on doing this anyways. Dave Card's got his goatee back. Frank Stromberg's got the awesome mustache. CDB's got his little Van Dyke thing going on. And we just need to get Matti to get one going. Just for a while. So I think Lee said this is a bugger on his neck. And we're going to be conservative on our cuts. There we go. There you go. So we're going to go with it. May clean it up and change the lines in a few days. But I'd rather have more to work with than not enough. That's what she said. Shaving degenerates, frickin' A. Send you guys my warm regards. All right. Pretty good first pass. Could have been more efficient. There's decent blade feel on this, and I feel there's more blade chatter than actual feedback on this razor. That makes sense? Like, you can have feedback, but not have blade chatter. But I do feel like there's blade chatter on this. And just so you guys know, as for this Paladin Falstaff handle, it is not a bowl lathering brush. In my opinion, you will not. I like to bowl lather, and I don't like bowl lathering with this. Let's put it that way. I'm sure I could face lather with it like a mofo. Like a First Canadian soap. That's right. Shout out Randy. Shout out #Canadian Mafia. That's right. Helps me know my lines, guys. All right. Yeah, I got hair up there, guys, too. CDB's not the only one. So, I commented in my Lathering Blade live how I missed the Johan beard. But if he kept the beard, we wouldn't get Johan shaves. So it makes sense. Because we got to have Johan shaves. They cracked me up. I'm going to try to link Johan. At least a Sunday video. Because it cracks me up. That joke in the beginning, funny. We're gonna go third pass because I am dealing with like 30 plus hours growth most likely. So we're gonna go again. Beat it a little bit more. Let's get some slickness on here. Shaveable lather. Sorry I didn't sanitize the platform. Anybody else think a little dirty when they hear CDB could say he's going to sanitize the platform? Like, what are they landing on that platform? Just curious. Sorry, I know I'm a dirty bugger. Man, there's a lot of hair in there. So then this is just going to be problem areas against the grain. And I did get a weeper, but I think it's from irritation with that bad edge y'all probably saw the video go up with. I had some irritation down there. I'm going to try some BBS a little today. It's been quite a few days, even though I had irritation. Might go more than a day without. I feel like my skin can handle a chase for BBS. And even though you're seeing back-to-back days of videos, I didn't do back-to-back shaves. We're done. Call it quits. Be done with that shazat. Alright. Rinse it down. Nice. There we go. That's a good feel. Sorry guys, I was just enjoying the plushness of my bourgeois towel. I know we say bougie. It's more fun to say bougie. Bourgeois. So, face feeling good. That really wasn't a bad shave, guys. I mean, first use on that, I mean, the lather was pretty slick. I can't say anything about how the lather looked, because honestly, I told y'all, I drowned it. You know, I gave her a thirsty drink and she said, "Oh Lord, that's a lot." So, we're gonna go to the 1776. So I guess I did open up some irritation down here, but other than that, we're gonna be okay. 1776. I may still afterwards go and put on some unscented Boot Soaps Ball. Oh yeah. Okay, Splash has more of a citrusy scent. So see, there are sometimes I'll tell you something smells real cologne-y and then throw the Splash on. Like, that's grapefruit. Maybe I'm wrong, but I smell grapefruit pretty good. Ken's been asking me what I think this smells like. I told him it was a good cologne-y scent. I'm sure he hasn't picked it up yet. Maybe this enables him to do so. But recap, guys. 1776, holy cow. Splash, soap, tallow base, Siero, I believe, yep. So that's some good stuff. Let's give the Paladin brush just a little rinse to show it off, because I do like it. And it may not be in the den much longer. I got it on a BST site if anybody's interested. You Facebook guys, you guys in the group, y'all know where I put it. So I'll give it a thorough rinse later, but we're gonna squeeze, shake, just a quick towel. See the Paladin? Here we go. And the little skeleton type thing with the tree and the bats and the cloudy, hazy fall moon, harvest moon maybe. It's really cool. I like the etching on it, and I like the Vesuvius. I like Vesuvius, Fantasia, Cobalt, and their tie-dye hippie one they do, like their Purple Haze. But you can get Purple Haze from a bunch of different people. I don't think they cast those themselves, or Purple Haze is just something someone else does that you can get it from many different artisans. But yeah, this and Fantasia is probably two of my favorite color. Bird's Eye, Cobalt. You know, you'll see him. Knabler, watch his channel. Bastard has my Fantasia in a beehive, of all things. So guys, until next time, thank you for being here for a morning shave, and I'll see you again.